Welcome back to our coverage of Mogo. We're now going to rip into a little blue trail. Big dog's bone.
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ooh, a little Manny. Oh, look at the gap there. Oh, tree. This little step up. Whoa! Left to right. It's running fast. Oh, into this hip. Pow! Step down. Nice little table. Oh, yes. More, please. Woo! More power manis. Roll that, gap that. Shark fin. Another shark fin. Oh, another one. Oh! I just got over it. Couple of decent hits in there. Up, right. Oh! Got a butt buzz on the tyre. Proper speed touch. Left to right. Popping over there. Oh, nice left. Whoop! Whoa! Another left right. Might have been all over there. Hit the boost button. Oh. Woo! Holy! Wow! Oh, on the nose.
That was a bit hectic.
A little bit more than you bargained for.
That was a bit of a kick on the bum of that one.
That was Big Dog's bone.